Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from your photo using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened PicsArt.com on my computer, and first of all, I'm going to import my photo. I'm going to click on browse files right here, and for example, I'm going to remove background from this photo. I'm going to click on open and wait for a moment until the photo has been imported to your PicsArt project. Okay guys, and to remove the background of this photo, we're going to use eraser. Actually you can use the remove background feature, but this feature is only for the premium user, and since I'm not a premium user, I'm going to use the eraser to remove my background. We can click on these three dots and then select erase. Okay, and here you will be able to erase your background. Wait, I'm going to decrease the size and increase the opacity. Okay, you can manually remove background from your photo like this. Okay, you can also use the brush if there is unwanted part removed. Oops. You can just use the brush if you want to get back the removed part. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on apply. Okay, just wait for a moment, and as you can see guys, that the background of my video has been removed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background of our photo using PicsArt. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!